Hello, cruel world. Let's see what the weatherman brought us this morning. Yeah, it's another beautiful day in Hayes. Oh, look at my truck. Oh, look at Jeff's truck. Look at the freaking snow. Jeff in the snowbank. Oh, here's our front door. Oh, it's snowing like crazy, huh? Yeah, welcome to Kansas. Look at these idiots. Look at the snow. They plow, they shovel it out in the street. Nobody's got any plows around here. Bunch of fools. Yeah, welcome to winter. It's gonna snow 12 to 18 inches, man. How do you like it? Winter wonderland. It's beautiful. Here's our house, 3027 Sherman Ave. Hayes, MF in Kansas. We can't stand this place. The wind's blowing, everything's drifting. I don't even think you can see the flags blowing, but snowing like crazy, man. Huh? How do you like it? Snow, 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 snow. Everywhere. Oh, look at the drifts over here. There you go. Huh? Look at that. There we go. Yeah, here we go. Here's a nice snowbank for you. Wind blowing, snow drifting. Welcome to Kansas, Toto. Oh, this is ungodly. Alright, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. See ya. I'm here in Kansas. Oh. You ought to see that side of the house, man.
Bad?
Yeah, I didn't turn it off or anything. It's still